Hey guys, it's Wario here, and I have this phantom here that I made, but its blades are all loose. I gave it a good shake and see a blade fell out. Here's a blade, fell out, so I'm going to show you how to fix that problem today. First of all, we have to take out all the blades. Now, we have to go in this fan. I have to tell you the fan force motors have adjustable pump tuning. Now, we're going to dig into this fan here. So, see right here, this is the bracket that's supposed to hold the blade, but it doesn't work very well, so I'm going to take out this bracket. Put it here for future uses. Now, you need some tape. I don't have enough rubber, so with this tape here, see once you have your blades. Alright, stuff's away from my chef with the man drinking. What you're gonna do with the tape is take a piece of it, and roll into a small ball like this and place on your blade. Now see how this fits. So I brought the fan motor back, and now I'm gonna test out my new blade. Gotta give them face up. If it doesn't fit, you can flatten the tape a bit. But now, see, I give it an extreme shake. This blade stays a fiddle, it won't fall out. It might get a little warped though. We got secured in place afterwards, so what I like to do is I got a paper clip. Yes. And let's see. Bend the edge outwards and get it underneath the blade. And then you want to force it upwards so the blade locks in. Then it won't move around anymore. That's how you fix a ceiling, a fancy ceiling fan with blades that keep falling out all the time. Thanks for watching. Please like for more videos.